Send a message of love to your mother this year's Mother's Day. Join TV3 Samoa in partnership with Samoa FM Radio and Samoa Media on our Global Samoa Mother's Day special program. Send us a photo of your mother and your well wishes in the form of a text message, video clip, song, audio, or short poem. All messages will be compiled in a 2-hour-long special program to be aired on TV3, Samoa FM online streaming, and will also be available on talamua.com. Send all your Mother's Day messages either through email, samoafm93.7@gmail.com, or Facebook @SamoaFMApia, or Viber, WhatsApp, or SMS +685 7777 937. Join us in celebrating all our mothers on the Global Samoa Mother's Day special program. Stay connected to Samoa despite wherever you are in the world.
Happy Mother's Day, my mom.